chains. Now it's all crusty and rusty.
Oh shit, I didn't eat it.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm not no fuck.
I can't even pedal.
Give us an update, Hunter.
Oh, you know, just having to put a tube in the front wheel because these things have paper tubes in them.
And we're going riding. I think we're gonna go ride the Arenacross track again because it's, dude, it's so wet. Everywhere's wet. Plug your shit.
We got the buy shelves.
Yeah. Buy shelves.
Buy shelves.
I got my jerseys by shelves.
Check it.
I don't have mine on, but I've got one.
Yeah.
Dude, if I'm being honest, I think the other track was easier to ride than this one.
Yeah, the faces are all chewed out on this one.
Oh, that was so sick! Oh my god! Holy shit!
Hey, that's like an elephant on a tricycle.
I know. Fuck. I can't even pedal.
Roll like bike. Good job.
I can't pedal.
Good job, buddy.
Trying so hard.
that guy has rode a lot of Arenacross, when that butt never comes off.
What was it?
Are we all gonna act like we didn't see that?
What was it?
This dude's whole asshole and paint was wide out.
That's a weird line.
Well, I didn't know it was laying right there, and I was like, well, there's a lot less water.
I'm gonna run a no vlog with
Shit.
We're a little wet after today.
Dude, Hunter decided that we were wood riding and we went on some fucking trail to Oblivion, and it was the most badass time I've had since I've been here.
Yeah, it was like the puddles, you couldn't like see the depth until you were in them. And then most of them, it came like to the bottom of the radiator.
Yeah. Our fucking, my boots.
I'm standing in the puddle right now.
Today was
It was Shmee. Barbecue chicken from there, big guy.
today was sneezy. It was
She was moist
extra chicken, no fries.
Gangsta talking, living life like a firecracker, quick as my fuse. Deaf as a bet the color I choose, red or blue or black. Wait, Yamaha's what matters.
Cole, come here. Hey, cover your face. Here, I got you. Hey, take a picture of this. Okay. I swear to touch his balls.
balls, it looks like.
CJ, get the clip. Ow!
Hey, watch this.
We'll be on the back of the truck. CJ thought that puddle was still back up. So worried. No. Good morning, vlog. We're back. Day number 3, I think. All night, so that's it's gonna put a damper in today's plans. But the track we were at all day yesterday because of rain, I'm sure that's where we'll be today. I will say this, man. This trip has been unreal, dude. It's been unreal. The tracks are badass. The facility, everything, dude. It's so sick. We're gonna give the boys a wake-up call. Good morning, motherfuckers. Yeah.
Top of the morning. It's the morning after.
It's the morning after. we have DJ Coy on the beat.
Oh my goodness.
You
My crash.
Oh, that thing is sick. What was that, a foot peg?
Foot peg.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like a pit bull bite.
That's
It
awesome.
felt like a pit bull bite. I bet you.
What is it?
Daddy, can you chain my lube?
I said that completely backwards.
Can you chain my lube? Fix my bike.
Hey, Daddy, I need an air filter.
Just like, okay.
Why's your battery on 69%? It's like 6 or 9% horsepower.
Okay. What?
Push him
What do we do with the rubber gloves, bro?
Fucking put him in the weeds today.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Bike maintenance time.
What'd your kid do last night, bro?
Washed the bike. Didn't lube the chain, so now it's all crusty and rusty.
Oh shit, I didn't
I
either.
mean, are you fucking kidding me?
Dude. I wonder if we could have came during a week where it rains every fucking day.
Never playing this shit.
Super dick. I think it was Hunter. We're back. Today at D-Town. Sun is shining. It's hot.
It's good.
Hunter, we're having some Stark issues right now. Everybody else is ready to
It's
go.
not an issue, it's just somebody unplugged his bike.
Doesn't randomly happen, but interesting nonetheless.
Interesting nonetheless. We're also missing some fucking honey buns, and I'm not sure where those went, so whatever, you know.
coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LA BB who running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything, swimming you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it, I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it, see the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin, money clip I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in.
Pretty stoked that we're leaving V2 now.
Fucking rap, man. D-Town trip.
Can't
Done.
believe we did it. I'm like 1% right now because like I'm drained.
Yeah, I'm done. I don't think anybody woke up and was like, I can't wait to ride today.
Like
Everybody
after
was
the
like,
first freaking day.
Everybody was kind of like, who's gonna put their gear on first, I guess, and make us go fucking do this.
We
So,
were slow moving most mornings.
all in all, dude, it was a insane time. So hopefully you guys liked the video, because it's gonna take a while to build it, but
I've been trying to teach these guys how to ride for years. It just don't work. They don't know how to ride. They don't know how to load bike.
His hunter's rear fender's talking to him while he's riding.
hey, he wanted
Ride
that
me
extra,
better.
He wanted,
Ride me better.
he wanted that extra noise. That's what it was.
That's right.
Too quiet.
He needed like some sort of engine sound.
Ding, ding, ding.
On this side, Hunter.
Listen, it's the 4th day and I'm just weak, all right? I'm just a pussy. That's how you're supposed to do it. Teamwork. Good job, Trey.
What's your thoughts on detail?
We made it.
We made it.
We made it.
We get a quick detailed rundown.
Quick detailed rundown.
D-Town Runtown.
D-Town rundown. That turned out pretty good, didn't it? Oh, it was a good trip.
Cut.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Hungry.
Dtown. We're out. It was real.
We're out.
Fun.
But it wasn't real fun.
Like and subscribe.